MG4 stands out among small electric cars, competing successfully against established rivals from Kia, Nissan, and Volkswagen. Offering a winning combination of practicality, performance, and value for money, the MG4 challenges the notion that electric cars are inherently expensive. With attractive finance deals available, it presents a cost-effective option in the EV market. While the interior quality may not match some competitors, and the boot is relatively small, the MG4 distinguishes itself as more than just a budget EV. It delivers a satisfying driving experience, a respectable electric range, and comfortable ride quality. Despite its affordable price, the MG4 is a stylish choice for those seeking a small car with ultra-low running costs. In a market where even small electric cars often come with a hefty price tag, the MG4 offers a compelling alternative. Many electric vehicles, such as the Fiat 500, Mini Electric, and Peugeot E208, typically hover around the £30,000 mark. This price range is comparable to larger petrol-engined family hatchbacks or crossover SUVs.